by the beach on like Tropical Island.
Okay, fine, I'm on Toronto Island. Let's go home and I'll show you some summer capsule wardrobe outfits. And so the imaginary travel series continues. On this 10-day beach vacation, I'll be bringing 6 tops. A white knit tank top, a red knit tank top, a black razor neck tank top, a black silk camisole, a white linen blouse, and a white t-shirt. In addition to that, I'll bring 2 overshirts, a white linen shirt, and a blue striped linen shirt. I'll be bringing 6 bottoms, a pair of jean shorts, a pair of beige linen shorts, a pair of white linen shorts, a beige silk skirt, a pair of white wide leg jeans, and a pair of black wide leg pants. I'll only bring 1 dress, which is a polka dot dress. As for shoes, I'll bring my good old brown leather sandals, a pair of black heeled sandals, and a pair of espadrilles. And for the bags, I'll bring a monogram bag, a straw bag, and a black crossbody bag. As for the accessories, I'll bring 2 hats, 3 pairs of sunglasses, 1 belt, and some jewelry to tie everything together. Day 1, I just arrived at my resort. I started off the trip with my new favorite white knit tank top and a beige silk slip skirt, cause summer knit is bougie and silk is bougie. I'm pairing this with my black heeled sandals. I just got off my flight, so I needed something that I could slip on and off easily. And since it's pretty hot here, I'll tie my hair into a sleek bun. I'm also gonna throw on some jewelry to make it even more bougie. I've got some pearl earrings and a pearl necklace here, and a croissant dome bracelet, and of course I'm wearing my beloved Cateye sunglasses. And finally, I'll finish the look with my new monogram bag. I know this look is a little bit fancy, but it's my first day in town, so I need to claim my territory. Day 2, I'm ready to explore the beach. I put on my easy breezy white linen blouse and my beige linen shorts because linen on linen is low-key bougie. I'm pairing this with my espadrilles. I went to the French Riviera in spring, in my imagination, and inevitably I got some style influence from there. And as for the accessories, I'm going simple today, just a pair of silver hoop earrings and a croissant dome bracelet. And of course, I'm wearing my signature straw boater. I make sure I wear a hat out on the beach because I need to protect my skin and my hair. And lastly, I'll finish the look with my new straw bag that will not scratch my clothes, unlike those damn basket bags. Day 3, my cool girl persona is coming out, so I put on a basic black razor neck tank top and a pair of white linen Bermuda shorts. Just a simple and effortless combination. Now I'll put on my brown leather sandals. I know, you're probably waiting for it. These sandals will stay on this channel for eternity. Anywho, in case it gets chilly at night, I'll put on a white linen overshirt as well, but the key here is to not wear it properly, otherwise you're not cool. I'll also put on a bucket hat and a pair of black shades, the perfect combo for avoiding eye contact. Yeah, by day 3, I'm already tired of everyone here, so this look pretty much says, don't talk to me. On day 4, I spotted a cute guy, so I needed to get his attention. I put on the one dress I prepared just in case of this situation, although I'd rather chill in a tank top and a pair of shorts. But you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm pairing this dress with my black heeled sandals, and I'll also put on some nice jewelry, a pair of white gold pearl drop earrings, a matching ring, and my one and only bracelet. Even though I'm trying to get someone's attention, I still need to remain a mystery. So my strategy is to put on my sunglasses and just sit there. Okay, I successfully got his attention, so I can chill in my tank top and shorts now. We're going to walk along the beach today, so I've opted for something casual, but still somewhat classy. I'm pairing this with my brown leather sandals again. And in case it gets chilly by the beach, I'll put on this blue striped linen shirt because shivering in the cold is not cute. And since it's important to remain a mystery, I make sure I bring a pair of black shades with me. Now I'm ready to take an imaginary walk on the beach with my imaginary boyfriend on an imaginary vacation. It's day 6 now and I'm already out of fucks, so I'll just put on a plain white t-shirt and the same pair of jean shorts that I didn't wash yesterday. I'll put on a belt to make it look like I'm actually trying, and I'll slip on these black heel sandals that look fancy but require no effort whatsoever. Another trick to look somewhat presentable is to put on some jewelry, like this chain necklace and a few rings. I'll finish the look with a pair of aviator sunglasses and a monogram bag. And that's it. Nobody would know I didn't do my laundry or even wash my hair. Day 7. I washed my hair, so I'm in the mood for dressing up again. I put on a red knit tank top and a pair of white wide-leg jeans. While someone's getting festive, I'm pairing this with my Espadrilles, my new favorite shoes. To style things up even more, I'm gonna wear a pair of beaded hoop earrings, a white gold pearl drop necklace, and a croissant dome bracelet. Yes, I'm going all out with the jewelry today. I'll carry my little straw bag, and now I'm ready to go get some fruits at the market. I know this is a bit extra for the market, but you never know who you run into. Well, I made some friends at the market and I got invited to a party. Yay! I put on my fancy black silk camisole and my black wide-leg pants. I'm adding a belt because I'm a fancy pants. I'm pairing this with my black heel sandals, the only evening appropriate shoes I brought on this trip. And since plain Jane is not my name, I'm gonna go all out with the jewelry again. I'm wearing these dramatic triple pearl drop earrings and the same pearl necklace and bracelet. Now I'll put on my mysterious shades and carry my little black bag, and I'm ready to rock the party. Day 9. I'm wearing this polka dot dress again. This dress is not just for cute guys, okay? I can wear it in different ways. I'm gonna style it with my white linen blouse and transform myself into a farm girl. Of course, I'm putting on my beloved Espadrilles, and I'll also braid my hair. Since your girl is fancy after all, I'm gonna secretly throw in a pair of pearl drop earrings. And to finish the look, of course I'm wearing my signature straw boulder and my little straw bag. Farm girl Gloria is pretty much a recurring character in my outfit videos by now. Alas, it's the last day of my vacation. I put on my black razor neck tank top and a pair of white wide-leg jeans, and I'm adding a black belt to keep this black and white color scheme going. I put on my black heel sandals again because they're easy to slip on and off on my flight, duh. Now I'll style things up with a pair of hoop earrings, a chain necklace, and some rings, even though I know I'll have to take them off at the airport anyway. And lastly, I'll wear my black bucket hat and my monogram bag. Now off to the airport. Oh, remember my imaginary boyfriend? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work out, so bye!